Looking to skyrocket your workshop profits? Meet the AKM 1325-5A, a 10 kW 5-axis CNC router built for power, precision, and performance. From foam sculptures to wood molds and complex 3D designs, this machine does it all, fast and flawlessly. It comes loaded with a Syntec controller, Italian Hiteco spindle, and Japan-made YASKAWA motors. Thanks to its full rotation head and 5-axis RTCP capability, your creative limits are gone. And with projects paying $200 to $1,000 each, you could be making $10,000 plus per month. Ready to upgrade your business? Contact ACCTEK today and start building your success.